So trying to send to the server 10.0.2.2. So the server is right actually. Let us change the port. Maybe the port is, if we change the port, maybe this port is not 8020. Let's say we change the port to 8020. We also listen to the port 8020 here. We stop our server again. No other server is running. Yes. So we just click again, do a right click here, go to run as Java application, and we wait until the server is running again. The sensor values class, Java receiver class has a main function, so just clicking on this class will make it run. So our server is running again. We need to run our client again now. Not this. We need to run our client case in this project. We can delete these old messages by clicking here. We can delete these console messages, so they are deleted. If we click here inside the Android monitor, and now we'll have new messages. Wait, we need to change the port to 8080, not to 8020, but let's try 8020. Let's change the value of any of the sensors now. Let's change the temperature pressure value now. It's changed, and we don't have any other thing again. We just have this trying to connect to the. Okay. Let's change the value to 8080 because people use this often as the client port for the client server communication. Now stop this, run the project again, run our client again now once more, and then wait. Yeah, so we are still stuck at trying to connect to this. So one important reason can be we have not really put in our permissions for our app. For example, we need our app to access internet or Wi-Fi state. Only then we can communicate with our server. So let's add permissions. Android permissions. Let's see how we do it. Just go to Google and type add internet permissions Android. Okay, just click here, how to add manifest Android permissions, and we see how can we do it. Yes, simply just copy this line above your application tag inside the manifest file. We have discussed about the permissions before when we were talking about the topics more theoretically. So just add these permission here. For internet, simply also copy paste it and add the permission for the network state, for the Wi-Fi state, and also for the change Wi-Fi state. So just change this to dot access network state, access Wi-Fi state, and now we have dot change Wi-Fi state. Now for Android version API 23 and above, we should also define the we should also access these permissions inside our main activity class. Before we could only use them in the Android manifest file, and that was enough. So we need to also, we can add the permissions here for the Android API 23 and above. Simply add an if statement, build dot version